Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in the beginning of this chapter, you have learned about Kalpana Chawla's educational life, her mission into space, and other achievements such as to get license to fly different types of planes, and also she got selected in NASA first as a research scientist, then as an astronaut. So now in today's video we will continue this story and will know about her feeling being an astronaut and her mission into space with NASA. So look at the paragraph number 4. When asked what is what like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies and doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dream like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on. So whenever she was asked, how do you feel in this field of space being a woman, she always answered and said, while studying, I never thought that a woman from a small village and a different country could be an astronaut in NASA and go to space. It was like impossible for a woman like me from a small village. But I had a dream and always try to do every possible thing to make my dream true. And fortunately, the people around me always supported and encouraged me. They always says that focus on your dream and keep going on to achieve your goal. You will get success definitely one day. Now come to the next paragraph. Kalpana's first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for price tag of about $56 million. So in this paragraph it is talked about Kalpana Chawla's space mission. So her mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes. During this period, the Kalpana Chawla's crew went in circle around the Earth 252 times. They covered 10.45 million kilometer distance. And in that crew, crew means group. There were Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts with Kalpana Chawla. They performed many experiments in space, such as pollinating plants, it means growing plants. They were observing that is it possible to grow plants in space, and also they were testing metals to make the strongest and the faster computer chips. And for that mission and program, around $56 million were spent. Now come to the last paragraph of today's lesson. On the Saturday night, when the news about Columbia's disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Kalpana spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. Now in this paragraph you would know about the accident happened with Kalpana Chawla's crew. So on Saturday night, a news spread that the Space Shuttle Columbia ended in tragedy It lost its connection and caught fire, and every astronaut in that crew were killed. So everyone was shocked to hear this news and could not believe that this disaster happened. And in Kalpana's village, no one slept. They were sitting in front of television and hoping that Kalpana and her crew member would land safely on Earth. But the crew, including Kalpana Chawla, were killed in that tragedy. So this is your today's lesson. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.